Question 5, we have an equation 4 tan x plus 3 cos x plus 1 upon cos x equals to 0. We have to show that sin x is equals to minus 2 upon 3. So starting with tan x, we know that tan is sin upon cos. So we can write 4 sin upon cos plus 3 cos plus 1 upon cos is equals to 0. Taking the LCM, we get, so the LCM will be cos. The denominator over here is 1, so this will also multiply by cos. So we get 4 sine plus 3 cos squared, as this will also multiply by cos, plus 1 is equals to 0. We have 4 sine plus 3 cos squared plus 1 is equals to, so cos times 0 will become 0. Now as we have to bring our equation in terms of sin x, so we can use the identity sine square plus cos square is equals to 1. So cos square will become 4 sine plus 3 into 1 minus sine squared plus 1 is equals to 0. Expanding this, we get 4 sine plus 3 minus 3 sine squared plus 1 equals 0. Rearranging the equation, we get 3 sine squared minus 4 sine minus 4 is equals to 0. Factorizing this, we get 3 sine squared minus 6 sine plus 2 sine minus 4 equals 0. Taking common 3s over here, we get s minus 2. Taking common from 2s minus 4, so we'll have 2 bracket s minus 2 equals to 0. So the final answer is sine minus 2 and 3 sine plus 2 equals to 0. Now we know that sine x cannot be greater than 1, so this will be cancelled out. So we'll be left with 3 sine x plus 2 equals to 0. So finally we have sine x is equals to minus 2 upon 3. In part 2, we have to show that 4 tan of 2x minus 20 plus 3 cos 2x minus 20 plus 1 upon cos 2x minus 20 equals to 0. So we have to find the value of x. Now we know that this whole expression is equals to sine x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. So over here we can write sine of 2x minus 20 is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Finding the basic angle, we have sine inverse of minus 3 upon 2, which is 41.8 degrees. Now we know that sine is positive in the first and the second quadrants, but as the sign is negative, we'll be taking the values in the third and the fourth quadrant. So we'll make our basic angle with the x-axis in the fourth quadrant and the third quadrant, which is 41.8. Now the angle is always measured from the positive x-axis in anti-clockwise manner. So we can write 2x minus 20 is equals to 180 plus 41.8, which will become 221.8, and 360 minus 41.8, which is 318.2. Now as our range is 0 till 180, we will not be taking any further values as it will basically go beyond 180. So we'll have 2x minus 20 is equals to, so 2x minus, simplifying this, we can get x is equals to 221.8 plus 20 divided by 2, which will become 120.9, and 318.2 plus 20 divided by 2 will become 169.1.